My name is Orlando Ricardo Powell, and I'm from the Hanbury Children's Home. And I will be doing a song. Me nah laugh, me nah joke. Me a tell you say me serious but me goal. Labor for learning before you grow old. Me a tell you say me serious but me goal. Me come on the earth without nothing, but me can't live here and not achieve something. To me right now that can't go happen, cause I'm me Father God, not forgotten. We forget it, we not feel left it. If we want good, we know as a fi run. Go maths class, go learn same thing. Me nah laugh, me nah joke. Me I tell you say me serious but me goal, but me goal. But me go. One Sunday morning, bright and early, go round the back, go peel me pumpkin. Yam pass me, no tell me morning. Poor get mad and I lit down chicken. Chicken jaw stone and I peel laughing. Me and poor, I go put on a pot. Rice and peas and curry chicken back. Me no want no pepper, cause the pepper too hot. Go down a river for some water. Look in the sky, a helicopter. Run through the bush like a bush tiger. Guess where me live underwater. Me have Karachi fish, Karachi lobster. 5 plus 5 equal 10. If you have a book, you must have a pen. Zungu zungu go zungu zeng. Zungu zungu go zungu zeng. Zungu zungu go.